Hello everyone, myself Waram Patel. I am studying Dharamshi Desai University in Electronics and Communication Department. Now I am going to start about the critical thinking. Let me see first. What is critical thinking? The critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and reasonably about what to do or what to believe. It includes the ability to engage in the reflective and the independent thinking. Someone with a critical thinking skill is able to do the following: understand the logical communication between ideas, identify, construct and evaluate the arguments, solve problems symmetrically, identify the relevance and importance of ideas. Critical thinking is not a matter of accumulating the information. A person with a good memory and who knows a lot of facts is not necessarily good at the critical thinking. A critical thinking is able to deduce consequence from what he knows, and he knows how to make a use of information to solve problems and to seek relevant source of the information to inform himself. The importance of a critical thinking. Critical thinking is a domain, general thinking skill. The ability to think clearly and reasonably is important whenever we choose to do. If we work in education, research, finance, management, or the legal professions, then critical thinking is obviously important. But the critical thinking skill is not related to a particular subject area. Critical thinking is a very important in the new knowledge of our economy. The global knowledge economy is driven by the information and technology. One has to able to deal with the change quickly and effectively. Critical thinking enhances the language and presentation skill. Thinking clearly and symmetrically can improve the way we express our ideas. In learning how to analyze the logical structure of texts, critical thinking also improves comprehension ability. Critical thinking promotes the creativity. To come up with a creative solution to a problem involves not just having a new ideas. It must also be the case that the new ideas beginning generated are useful and relevant to the task at hand. Good critical thinking is the foundation of a science and democracy. Science requires the critical use of reasons in experimentations and the theory configuration. The future of critical thinking. In January 2016, World Economic Forum issued a report, The Future of Jobs. It says future industrial revolution, which includes the development in the previously disjointed fields such as the machine learning, language, artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, 3D printing, and genetics and biotechnology. In summary, the critical thinking is aimed at achieving the best position outcomes in any situation. In order to achieve this, is must involve gathering and evaluating information from as many different sources possible. Critical thinking requires a clear, often unfortunatable assignments of your personal strength, weakness, and preferences and their possible impact on decision you may make. Critical thinking requires the development and use of a foreign side as far as this is possible. After all, almost no information we have available to us, either externally or internally, carries any guarantee of its life. Neat step-by-step instruction may provide some sort of trails on which our basic understanding of critical thinking can blossom, but it doesn't and cannot provide any assurance of certainty. Thank you.